Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Jonas X settlements. Most Jonas X claims are settled out of courts, but this is not a reason to skip getting an experienced Jonas X attorney. During settlements negotiation, you will go up against major insurers and their lawyers. They will have the upper hand in knowledge, experience, and time. While you have other things on your plate, including recovering from your injuries, the insurer has plenty of time to go back and forth and pressure you into accepting a lower settlement. By hiring a maritime lawyer, you have someone who won't be intimidated or pressured into accepting a lowball settlement. And then next, cooperative negligence. During a Jonas X claim, your employer can claim your negligence as a defense. In many cases, this is not a total defense. It does not let your employer entirely off the hooks. However, if a court finds you are partly responsible for the accident and your injuries, then your compensation may be reduced. If the court determines you were also negligent, it will assign you and your employer percentages of faults. It could be 50-50, or your employer could be 75% at fault while you are found 25% at fault. The proportion could be reversed too. The court could find you are mostly responsible. Under the Jonas X, you can still recover compensation if you are more than half at fault, though it significantly reduces your compensation. And then next, Texas maritime rights under the Jonas X. Injured seamen can also file claims for workers' compensation without proving that the unsafe condition, faulty equipment, or negligent employers were wholly responsible or at fault for their injuries. Rather, the injured employer may only have to prove that their injuries occur within the scope of their employment as a sailor on an American frigate or owner vessel operating in navigable waters. And then maintenance and cure benefits. Injured seamen have the right to maintenance and cure separate from the Jonas X. Maintenance is defined as your daily living expenses, such as housing costs, food, and utilities. Cure refers to the medical costs associated with a seaman's injury. Maintenance and cure begin as soon as the injury occurs and continue until the injured seaman reaches a state of maximum medical improvement. That means you have recovered as much as your physicians expect you to recover. As a seaman, you have a number of rights under federal law. It is important to determine if you have a claim under the Jonas X or another statute. But even if you do not, a maritime injury lawyers can ensure you receive appropriate maintenance and cure. This compensation may not cover all of your damages, yet it is essential to ensuring the financial repercussions of the accident do not fall squarely on your shoulders. And then common injuries for sailors and seamen. As a maritime worker, you face harsh elements and a risk work environment every day. All it takes is one person making a mistake or acting carelessly for you to suffer severe laceration, strain, sprain, and other soft tissue injuries, bone fractures, dislocated joint, crush injuries, amputation, neck injuries, back injuries, spinal cord injuries, inhalation injuries, respiratory impairment, vision loss, hearing loss, electric shock, burn, traumatic brain injuries or TBIS. And then about how a Jonas X lawyer helped your case. The Jonas Acts require a vessel owner or employer to ensure a reasonable, safe working environment and maintain a safe, seaworthy craft. Under the law, an employer can file a suit against his or her employer or the vessel owner for allowing or creating a variety of unsafe conditions aboard a vessel. A Jonas X lawyer can help by determining if you are covered by the Jonas X or another maritime law. If you are covered, your attorney will investigate the accident to gather evidence of negligence. Your lawyer will then guide you through filing your claim under the Jonas X and pursue the demands you are entitled to under the law. Without someone on your side, your chance of receiving for compensation decreases. Despite your relationship with your employer, a business will want to limit their liability and expenses to your detriment. And then step for a successful Jonas X claim. Seek medical care and notify your employer right away after an injury. Consult and hire an attorney. File the complaint in the federal court and etc. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe.